Hi, I'm Damini Celebrate, and I've been an acupuncturist and a healer for almost 30 years. And while we're dealing with this pandemic, a lot of us aren't able to get to our healers, our acupuncturists, massage therapists, our chiropractors, those people that we depend on to keep us sane, if you will. And so what I thought I'd like to do is offer you a session to help you deal with anxiety. What I'd like to invite you to do first is just get quiet, sit somewhere comfortable, and put your feet on the ground. Grounding ourselves is one of the most important things that we can do right now to not lose ourselves through this whole process. And when we are grounded, it actually helps any kind of this ache that's in our body, mind, spirit to go down to the ground. So it's almost like a lightning rod on a house. So go ahead and close your eyes. Feel where your body is touching the earth. And invite your breath to come in and travel all the way down to your belly. And as it does, it brings relaxation and softness into our body. And with our next breath in, allow that breath to come all the way down to our feet. And imagine, if you will, these little chakras or energy centers or little flowers opening up at the bottom of your feet, kind of right around here. So go ahead and take a couple breaths in and out, allowing whatever you don't need to hold on to right now to just go into the earth. In the classical acupuncture texts, they talk about this one needle treatment. And for years, to be honest with you, I was trying to get treatments down to one needle. And then finally, I realized that the one needle is our intention, the practitioner, the person, in this case it's going to be you, that is allowing the universal life force energy to move through you into these points. So the first point we're going to do is to kind of help ground that earth energy, and you're going to do a point called Kidney 1 that's right at the ball of your feet. So you're going to start with your left foot and you're going to press into the point and gently massage it counterclockwise and gently massage it clockwise. And your needle, if you will, is to think about this point as encouraging that grounding exercise that we just did. Really feel into that point that allows all that energy to connect with the earth. And then go ahead and do your right foot. Again, clockwise. Again, let yourself be the needle, be the hollow energy, hollow bamboo as they say, of allowing that energy from the universe to come through you into that point. The other beauty of this point, which is Kidney 1, is that not only does it remind us of our connection to the earth, but it also helps to bring pure, clean, vibrant energy up into our body as well. So notice how you feel now that you've treated Kidney 1 for yourself. next point is right on your sternum, right between your breasts, whether you're male or female. And this point is a point that really kind of allows your heart and heart protector to know that it's being cared for, that it's being loved. And this point, which is REN 17 or CV 17, is a point that just really, I think of it as a kind of like a deep tending to the heart. Kind of like if you were to press your hands over your heart and send love there, that's what this point does. So go ahead and bring all your love and attention and needle to this point in the middle of your chest. And your intention is to soothe. It's okay. It's okay. I hear you and you're safe. Again, you're going to move this point clockwise to bring loving, nourishing energy into your body, mind, and spirit. Beautiful. And to move forward with that nurturing feeling, there's a series of points up here on the upper chest that are really good about helping you come back to you instead of the of everything that's happening around us. Again, this series of points up here help you come back to you. And we're not going to press those points all specifically, but again, lay your hand over that chest area so it's a little above that point we just did. And again, your intention or your needle is soothing. And slightly move your hands clockwise as you're doing this. And saying to yourself, yes, it's okay. You're okay. I feel you, I hear you. You're safe. You're loved. Really let that energy of those points kind of sink in. So notice how you feel now that you have some ground under you. You've kind of nurtured your heart some. And then the last final set of points that we're going to do are points that are on the heart protector and the heart. And I'll show you those on the left hand. Whenever we're kind of nurturing, we're always going from left to right, and we're always massaging the points clockwise. And so the first point I'm going to show you, let's see if I can get this a little closer. If we put 3 fingers from your wrist crease up on the inside of your hand, this point's going to fall right in here. The other point we're going to talk about, this is pericardium 6. The other point is heart 7, which is right on the inside of this little bone on your wrist crease. Okay. So feel your feet on the ground now that we've talked about things in the mind. And let's first feel into pericardium 6. This point is the inner frontier gate, the gate that leads to your heart. And this is the heart protector. So this is a beautiful opportunity to make sure that you have the ability to let in what you need to let in and to close off whatever you don't need to close off. We don't need to go through life fully wide open all the time. And the inner gate, the pericardium, in health really allows you to open and close as needed. So let's go ahead and hold pericardium 6 with the intention or your needle of allowing fluidity of our gate, allowing our heart to be open and allowing our heart to be protected. Do that for 30 seconds and then come to the other side. Again, notice how your body is responding when you're saying to your being, yes, you're grounded, you're nurtured, and now I'm giving you the skills or the reminder to open and close the world, your heart, as needed. Now the final point is heart 7, and that's the one that's on the inside of your wrist, right over that little heel bone. And heart 7 is one of the points that is a master point to the heart. And I use this point mostly when we're shocky. You can just go ahead and hold this point. But it's also, if you feel like you still need a little bit more settling when you're doing this practice, go ahead and hold heart 7. And heart 7 is going right to the heart and going, yes, I hear you. I feel you. I got you. So if you feel like you need heart 7, go ahead, left to right and clockwise. Massage that point. Heart 7 is a point that you can use anytime throughout the day. If you need a little heart nurturing, if you're feeling a little shocky. But I encourage you to do this anxiety treatment once a day, twice a day, knowing that you're not chasing away what's happening, but you're just allowing yourself to be more fortified and more nurtured. And that's the way to manage anxiety when it's long-term, to not just push it away, but also to give yourself some heart reinforcement. And then when your healer is able to start practicing again, then go to them. But for now, I hope this helps. Sending you much love.